Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices. Power them on, charge, and confirm the SIM card is accessible. Insert the SIM in the new phone or use an adapter. This ensures read access. Open the Contacts app, tap the menu, and select Import/Export to begin importing from SIM. Do this now because the SIM holds only basic fields. Once started, the phone will read each contact entry and present import options, so you can choose destination storage. Once the SIM entries are visible, you must pick where to save them. Your Google account is best for backup. Make sure you map fields when prompted. Name to name and number to phone so data stays structured. Use the batch select option to import all contacts faster or pick specific ones if you prefer. This step matters because SIM contacts often lack emails and photos. Saving to account lets the phone enrich entries later, and syncing keeps them safe. After import, review your Contacts app and ensure the selected account shows the entries. If you see duplicates, use the Merge or Cleanup tool to combine entries. This prevents confusion. If some contacts are missing, power down, reset the SIM, and try import again. Or export contacts from the old phone as a VCF file and import that file, which preserves full details. If syncing fails, make sure Account Sync is enabled and that Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.